Hi! Today I would like to show you how you can transfer files from Motorola device to T-Mobile phone 6 Pro. Firstly, you need to open Play Store on both smartphones and click on the search bars. Then type in Send Anywhere and install this free app from this developer. When it's ready, open it. Now, in order to use this app, you need to click on I accept, confirm, continue, and allow. Then do exactly the same on Motorola smartphone. Open, I accept, confirm, continue, allow. Following that, just receive on T-Mobile phone over here and send at the bottom left corner of your Motorola. Then click on all of those dots from all of those categories, and when you finished, click on send. This way you select all of your files that you wish to transfer and send them later on. It will take some time though, so I will go with only one photo, just for example. Click on send and tap on got it. Now on T-Mobile phone, choose yes I agree or no thanks. Then select close this window. As you can see, finally, we have two ways to connect. We can scan this QR code by clicking on this scanning icon here above user guide, choosing while using the app or only this time, and pointing our camera at this code. But we can also input this key over here instead, and then click on Receive button. And now, as you can see, after a while, my photo was successfully transferred. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, smash that like button, comment, and definitely subscribe. Bye!